guys, Taylor here, your Backstage Beautician, and today we're doing this updo for Mrs. Banks from the musical Mary Poppins. This hairstyle is great to do because it requires no heat and actually works best on 2-day hair when your hair maybe has a little bit of grease or grit to it. If you like the look of this hairstyle, maybe consider pressing the like button down below. If you are attempting this hairstyle on clean, freshly washed hair, you can always add a bunch of dry shampoo or hairspray to your hair to give it that grit. So first we're going to work with the front of our hair, so section that out now. I do this by starting at my part with my 2 fingers, running straight back about an inch, then make a really sharp 90-degree turn and go straight across until you meet your other finger, and that's your front section. Then once you have your front section, brush it forwards. Add a tiny bit of hairspray to make the section more pliable. Be really careful you don't spray yourself in the eye. Then we're going to make a zigzag of bobby pins across. Place your zigzag bobby pins just far enough down your hair so that when you flip it up into the roll, they'll be on the bottom section, the side that lays flat against your scalp. I recommend going about 6 inches down your hair. Try to catch as much of the hair in this section as you can with these bobby pins. Feel free to make them interlocking for extra hold. Then flip the hair up, wrap it around your flat palm a few times until you get it to lie flat against your scalp. Once you have your roll in the position you like it, add several bobby pins to the inside coming in from the bottom and the top, and also add some bobby pins into the back to secure it into place. Once you have your front section secure like you like it, you can move on to the sides. We're going to take sections just above the ear the same way we did on the top. Place your finger just above your ear, go back about 1.5 inches, make a sharp 90-degree turn, and run straight up until you have your side section. Then follow the exact same pattern on this side section. Brush your hair forward, add your bobby pins in a zigzag pattern, then wrap the hair around your flat palm and roll it up until the bobby pins lie flat against your scalp. And then pin in place. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Then once you have your section, brush it forward. Make sure to brush it in the opposite direction you're going to roll it so that it's laying the right direction. As you can see, I was really struggling to get this side roll to lay into the position I wanted it to. This is because I put my zigzag bobby pins too low on that section of hair. If you're attempting to roll a section of hair up and you find you can't get the bobby pins to come underneath properly and lay flat against the scalp, then the bobby pins are probably either too high or too low on that section of hair. So don't be afraid to unroll, remove your bobby pins, and try again. Alright, and now we're going to move on to the back of our head. Take your hairbrush and brush the remaining hair straight back so that there is no part in your hair. Then crisscross your bobby pins across the hair on the back of your head. You're going to need quite a few bobby pins as you should have a lot of hair left over hanging down the back of your head. It's quite challenging for you to reach this far down on your own hair on the back of your head, so I chose to split my hair into 2 sections, do several bobby pins from the front, and then merge the 2 sections together in the back with 1 bobby pin. Then once you have your bobby pins, we're going to roll this section of hair up too. Add bobby pins as needed and plan to use a lot of them for this hairstyle. One way I like to pin rolls on my head is to take the open side of the bobby pin, catch some hair on the top of the roll, and then turn the bobby pin 180 degrees and pin it back into the roll. If you have a hard time making your rolls meet up at the side and the back here, one method I like to use is take my hand, cup the underside of the roll of hair, and gently push it over and flip it over into the shape you want, and you should be able to see a connection form, and you can then pin that into place. Once you're happy with the way your rolls look, you're going to generously hairspray them into place. And then this hairstyle's all done. Feel free to forego the smooth texture for a little extra wave or curl in your hair. It'll look great with all the above. You can also add more height if you like, or remove certain sections of the rolls if you only want the front half or the back half. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed today's video, maybe consider pressing the subscribe button down below and the bell notification button so you can always be sure to see new videos from me. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, break a leg on your production of Mary Poppins!